Hey y'all, it's Geomatic Cat here. Guess where I'm at? Guess where I'm at? You not believe where I'm at. Look at, I'm at the Robbins Buc-ee's. And we decided to come up here and look for some Halloween merch. Yes, it is August 8th. And it's time for Buc-ee's. And we get some Halloween stuff. Hey, check it out, check it out. I'm at Buc-ee's. Hey, this Buc-ee has a outdoor frozen treats thing. It's not all those frozen treats. Check it out. Hey, it's me again, Geomatic Cat here. I'm at Buc-ee's in Robbins. You can see outside the window here, Robbins. Let's check it out. Looking for Halloween merch. Halloween merch, and it's August 8th, and it's 100 degrees out. Let's see if they got it. Y'all stay with me. All right, it's cart cam time. Y'all watch this. Let's see how much gas is first. Cart cam. Activate cart cam. All right. It is packed here. Real busy. Testing 1, 2, 3. All right. The gas is $3.09. First of all, let's check out the Roosevelt shirts. Okay, it's got the Enjoy Every Moment shirt still out here. Excuse me. There we go. Got the Roosevelt shirts over here. And look at this. We got Boogie, Nightmare Before Christmas. Those are awesome. Oh, okay, got the Beetlejuice Roosevelts right here. And these are $70 each. They still got Star Wars down here. Star Wars shirts. And I like this. These are grunt style sweatshirts here. Look at the design. That is awesome. You got Halloween stuff out here. Women's clothing. We're still looking for Halloween. Yes. Let me get through here.
I did bring my trucker hat that we made.
I see something. What is this? That's Halloween there. What is that thing? It is a Buc-ee thing. Buc-ee light up. Check that out. It's lit up. Wow, that's pretty cool. Might get one of those for Halloween. They're $16.99 and it lights up. That's pretty cool. Also, they got these Buc-ee's plush blankets, buckets here. It'd be great for Halloween, I guess. Let's look around here. We got these Halloween shirts over here. Then you got your plushy Halloween Buc-ee. Check it out. $14.99. Check it out. Ain't that cute? Let me get one of these. Buc-ee is wearing the Halloween shirt. Wow. Where are they at? All right, check it out. They got these new shirts here. These long sleeve shirts here. It's pretty cool there. And they got these gas pump beverage dispensers. Why put some in there? I would buy one of these, but I don't need more Buc-ee merch. 34 ounces, maybe. Never mind. Then they got these Buc-ee Beavers football shirts. Check it out. And on the back, pull one of these out here. And the back has 82 on the back. That's awesome there. And here's another thing. Buc-ee's jackets. These are pretty cool here. And these are $39.98. And that's the front of the shirt jacket there. That's pretty cool. And they got these Buc-ee's long sleeve shirts here, like almost like hockey shirts here. That's pretty cool. I was thinking I get a jacket. Nah, I don't need a jacket. But again, where we at? We're in Georgia at the Robbins Buc-ee's. Walk around more. Get your usual Buc-ee's Robbins t-shirts. And I need a, let me grab one of these. I don't have a Warner Robbins t-shirt, but postcards. I got your dog stuff here. Alright, we're back here in the sweatshirts. Check it out. Got the big old Buc-ee's gray sweatshirt. Got one of these. These are very good, very comfortable. And then, oh, look here. Yeah, a Buc-ee window decal and a Buc-ee sticker pack. Nah, don't need it. Put that in my truck to be crazy. And then you got your Buc-ee's trucks here. Got cup holders, coasters. I want to put one of those in my truck. That'll work. Yeah, I'm gonna get one of these. This is my truck. Then we got all shades. Nah. We got Buc-ee's everything. Window markers, air fresheners. Buc-ee air freshener. Grab one of these. Alright.
374 is ready at the deli, 374.
You get your buckle up seatbelt covers. And you got your little ball Buc-ee's there. Check it out. Alright. Then you got your Buc-ee's hand puppets. Hey, I'm Buc-ee. Oh. Alright, check it out. Here's the, I have this shirt and I have this pillow. And look at this wearable blanket for Buc-ee. That's crazy. Nope. Alright. And they got this black jacket already. And then you got the onesies. Then you get your red Buc-ee t-shirts by himself. And you got other blankets here. And you get your shot glasses. And you get more red t-shirts. And then you got this quilted bags. Those are pretty cool. And then get your shorts. And this is that t-shirt I'm looking for here. And you got extra large. Kendra. Alright. Cool. I'm going to show you something real cool. Put this shirt down. But check this out. They got Buc-ee's jewelry. Look at that. Buc-ee rings. Look at that. Buc-ee's earrings. Yeah, Buc-ee's earrings. That's amazing. More Buc-ee charms. Look at that. You got size rings there. Buc-ee rings. Wow. Never seen that before. Yeah, Buc-ee charm there. Yeah, neat. Buc-ee earrings. I don't doubt Kendra will wear those, but hey, Christmas gifts right here. Buc-ee stuff. Again, you got the pumps and the bobbleheads. There's that shirt right there. Make my soul smile. Then on the front has your Buc-ee with the peace sign and a sunflower. Look at it's Buc-ee's aprons. You can do your own brisket on the board here. Well, you know I wear Crocs, and they've got the shoe charms, but I wouldn't put them on Crocs. But this, they got a Buc-ee Stretch Armstrong. Amazing. Let's take a little look. Here's the big truck here, Buc-ee in the back. You got Buc-ee house there. You got all the Buc-ee t-shirts here. You got hats. And you got the other t-shirts here. Buc-ee stuff everywhere. And we got a Buc-ee slushie maker over there. Wow. That's the swimsuits. You got your towels there. All right. Let's go look at the food. Still haven't found the Halloween stuff yet. Even got the real Buc-ee here. How you doing, Buc-ee? Hey. Get you on camera here. Thank you. Maybe I got a sticker. It's in Buc-ee. Awesome. Got the pork. Got the pretzel cups here. This is the pork tenderloin. See, pork tenderloin, $5.99. All right. Then you got your dry beef and pork sausage cup here. That's $5.99. All right. You got your pepper turkey pretzel cup for $5.99. Then you got your jalapeno cheddar And down here, you got your dried venison. Check it out so you won't be confused. Dried venison pork sausage, $5.99. Awesome. Check it out, you still got your kiosks here. Let's hit it here. And all you got is a 3-piece chicken tenders. And you hit that, and you can't do anything else. That's all you can order is that 3-piece chicken tenders there. Smell that brisket. Smell that brisket over there.
Sorry, order 323 is ready at the deli. Order 323.
Brisket sandwiches. They got the buns. They got it all here. Yummy. Chop it up. Check it out, you got your coffee bar right here. All kinds of coffee. And you got your icy bar over there. And then you get your usual snacks in a regular gas station over here. And then you get all your fixings for coffee. Alright, let's quickly take a look at Halloween stuff they got over here. Over at it. Check it out. Got your t-shirt. Awesome. Got some of those. Round front here. Hey Boo. Cool t-shirt. Cool t-shirts here. Awesome. Even got your Halloween Buc-ee blow up out here. We got one at the house. These are $59.98. Alright, check it out. Get one of these. Got the Halloween plushies right here. Even got the fall ones already. $14.98. Halloween plushie. Look at it. Got a thing like that, same thing on the t-shirt. Check it out. Alright, one thing I gotta show you here is that I got this pillow here. It says Thanksgiving on one side, and it says Merry Christmas on the other side. And it's flipped over again. It says Welcome Home. Then you got your Happy Halloween on it. So it's a 4-way pillow here. Got everything on it. I think that's pretty cool. Alright folks, this is my haul here. Got sandwich and sausage on there. Got shirts and drinks and everything. Let's get out of here. Alright, it's me, Jim Mack again. How you doing? That's my little video of Buc-ee's and Warren Robbins. I worked my butt off and I thought everything for Halloween. They have it up here. Got t-shirts, got the plushies, all that stuff. And I'm going to take it home and I'm going to do another video and show you what I got. And again, thanks for watching. This is Joe Madcat here in Warren Robbins Buc-ee's. Awesome. Check it out. Got your Buc-ee's and another trip. Heading back home. Thanks for watching and subscribe and like my channel when you get a chance. Alright folks, make it home man. Alright folks, made it back from Calhoun. Oh my god. Hey, just made it back from Warren Robbins Buc-ee's. I'm with Poppy here. I'm going to show you what we got. What we got, Poppy? We got the Halloween t-shirts from this year, and they glow in the dark. Check it out. It says Hey Boo on the back. It says Boogies on the back there. And this is the front. 2024, and these are glow in the dark. We got the Halloween Buc-ee stuffy here. Has a little pumpkin there, and got a hat on, and got the t-shirt on too. Same t-shirt as that. And then you got these lights here. I'm gonna show you in a minute. And these are the plushies. Hey Boo plushies. Got these 2 wood brick things here. They're pretty cool. They were like $8 a piece. But nice. Got one cat out and got a dog on it. And we got these kitchen towels here. Got a hat on it. Same thing as this cat here. It's pretty cool. And you got this wild and witchy thing here. And that was it for the Halloween stuff. But check us out. I'm gonna go here and turn the light off. But this is the light up Buc-ee ghost here. That's pretty cool there. Probably get down. You don't need that. All right, we're done. And I also got this Buc-ee's long sleeve shirt here. Pretty nice. It's cotton, and it was 20 bucks. It's almost like a hockey or a football jersey. It has a little tag down the bottom here. It's long sleeve. It's pretty nice. Alright, show you this t-shirt here. Buc-ee's Beaver t-shirt, the football t-shirt. And the back has 82. Cool. Alright, this is on the front of the t-shirt. Alright, probably in there howling. She has to be home. And this on the front. It was like $18 for that. And we got this Buc-ee's Makes My Soul Shine. Buc-ee's in the van. Got a Warren Robbins Buc-ee's t-shirt here. It was like 12 bucks. And I got this red shirt here. It's long sleeve. And that was like $19.98. It's nice.